Hello friends, this is Srimant Telgave and you are learning ASP.NET MVC 5 tutorial step by step. So this is part 8 and in this tutorial we are going to understand partial view in ASP.NET MVC 5. So let's start. So in this tutorial we are going to learn what is partial view in ASP.NET MVC 5, how to create the partial view in MVC, and how to use the partial view in ASP.NET MVC, and how to use the same partial view in a multiple view pages in MVC 5. So why partial view is required, and last one is we are going to also discuss the interview question on partial view, and we are going to provide some homework. So these all are the points we are going to cover in this tutorial. So before proceeding this video, I will request you to please watch the previous tutorial to understand more detail on partial view. So let's start. First one is the what is partial view in ASP.NET MVC 5. So a partial view is used to render a portion of view content. So if you want to render some portion of content to the browser, then we can go with the partial view. And a partial view, it is just like a user control in ASP.NET web form application. Partial view can be reusable in a multiple view. So it is a reusable view, so we can reuse the partial view in a multiple view pages. It helps us to reduce the code duplication. So with the help of partial view we can reduce the code duplication. And a partial view enable us to render a view within a parent view. So we can say partial view is a child page. Partial view is always a child page, and we can render the partial view inside the parent page. And the extension of a partial view is a .cshtml, and the .cshtml file is used the Razor View engine. And if you say the extension of the partial view is the .cshtml, the .cshtml is a combination of C# and HTML file. And the partial view can contain the HTML and C# code. So we can write the HTML code, and also we can write the C# code inside the partial view. So partial view return type is a partial view result, or we can also provide the action result as the return type of partial view. And the partial view return the result with the help of partial view method. So we will understand each and every concept with programmatically. So to understand programmatically, so we have created MVC 5 view example in previous tutorial of this series, and we are going to use the same example for the partial view tutorial also. So first one is the we are going to understand how to create the partial view. So we will create one partial view. So we can create the partial view inside the view folder. So inside the view folder you can find out the two folder, home folder and shared folder. So we can create the partial view inside the home, or we can create the inside the shared folder. If then what is the difference between them means, if we can create the partial view inside the shared folder, it can be accessible throughout the application. And if you create the partial view inside the home, then it can be so we can say it can be used only for the home controller action method. So as of now, what we can do, we will create the partial view inside the shared folder. So we cannot say this is the best practice to create the partial view inside the shared folder, but we need to create the partial view inside the shared folder if your partial view is reusable throughout the application. So right click to create the partial view, right click to the shared folder, go to add and click on view. So you can see there is a two checkbox option. First one is the use layout and second one is the create. So first uncheck the use as a layout page and check the checkbox create as a partial view, and I will provide the name as a product partial view. View name is a product partial view and click on add. So it will create a partial view, and so we can write the HTML code and C# code inside the partial view. So first we will provide one heading, so I can say h3 and I will say product partial view, and to understand more detail what we can do, we will create one table. I can say a table and table heading, and we will define some table row. Inside this table heading I can say product ID, and next one is the product name, and last one is the order ID, and we'll say quantity. So these are the 4 columns for the product table, and we can say the table body. We will create table row inside the table body, and we can provide the table data. We can provide the table data to the product table. So first one is the product ID. I can say first product ID is 1, and product name is, I can say a laptop, or we can say Dell laptop, and next one is the order ID. We can say 100, and quantities we can say 100 is the quantity. And we can create one more row. To create the one more row, I can simply copy a row and paste, and I will change the product IDs to, instead of Dell laptop I will say HP laptop, quantity is 200, and the order ID is, and order ID is 200 and quantity is also 200. And we can provide a border 1. So just we have created one table called as product. We can write this table inside the div. Yes. So also we can apply the CSS, and we have also learned how to apply the CSS in previous tutorial of this series. So we can say background color azure, and we can provide the color of this, I will say red, or you can provide any color to the table heading. So after creating the table, so you can see, so we'll go with and write the C# code. So how to write the C# code? Same, we have written the C# code inside the view in the previous tutorial. The same code we can write inside the partial view. The steps we need to follow here. So to write the multi-line C# code, we need to go with the syntax for writing the multi-line code @ curly bracket open and close. Or if you write the single line code, then we can only write @ string. I will say str, instead of welcome I will say message is a string name, and we can provide any message name. I will say product table detail, and I want to print this product name above the table. So to display, we can say h3 tag. We will use h3 tag to display the product detail @ and I will say str message. So this is the same way which we have learned in the previous tutorial. So there is no any difference between to write the C# code in partial view and the normal view pages. And we can also write the single line of C# code inside the partial view also by using @ and I will simply write the C# code datetime dot now dot I will say to string. So we have understand how to create the partial view. So we can create the partial view inside the shared folder, or we can create the partial view inside the home folder. So you can create partial view inside the shared folder or home folder. To create inside the home folder, the same step we are going to follow. Right click on the folder, go to add, click on view, and we can provide the name as a sample view. So inside the option we need to check the create as a partial view checkbox and click on add. It will create the sample partial view inside the home folder. So this is the steps how to create the partial view. So next we are going to understand how to use partial view in ASP.NET MVC. So there are two HTML helper method to use the partial view. So first one is the @HTML.render partial. The result of the render partial method is returned directly into the HTTP response. It means that this method use the same text writer object as used by the current view. So the current view, whatever the text writer object is used, the same object is used by the render partial method also, and it is directly return the response into the HTTP response object. So that's why it is slightly faster than the partial view method, and the return type is the render partial is a void. So next method is, so we can also use the partial view by using the partial view method. So what is the partial view method means? This method render the view as a HTML MVC string. So the return type is the partial method is a HTML MVC string, and we can store the method result in a string variable. And the render partial is slightly faster than the partial method. So why? Because the render partial method return the output directly to the HTTP response stream. So that's why it is slightly faster than the HTML.partial method. So we will go with example and understand more detail each and every concept. So you can see how to use the partial view into the normal view. So what we can do, we can open the index view page. So this is code we have written in the previous tutorial. So what we can do, we will delete this code. Yes, so you can see we have only this is the table. We do not want to delete this table, and above this, so this, what are the steps to, so we can go with one by one. First we can use HTML dot render parcel method to render the product parcel view page into the index page. So you can, we have also heard about the parcel view is a child page, and we need the child page is also, the child page is a render to the parent page, and in our case the product parcel view page is a child page and index.html is a parent page. So we want to use the parcel, the product parcel view page inside the index view. So there are two method we have learned. So first we will use, first method is HTML dot render parcel, HTML dot render parcel, and you can see this method has 4 overloaded method. So first one is the parcel view name having the string type, and second one is the parcel view name as a string and model as an object. Third one is the view name as a string and view data as a view data dictionary class. So last one is the view name as a string, model as an object, and view data as a view data dictionary. So this is the these all are the 4 types of overloaded method of render parcel. So we will understand. So we can pass, so first one is we can pass the view name. So simply I will copy the parcel view page and we can simply paste here. So we can display the parcel view using render parcel method, and if you see the render parcel method, the return type of the render parcel method is a void. It does not return anything. To understand this, first we will execute the application and let's see. Yes, so you can see the product table detail is we have called from the parcel view. This part we have called from the parcel view, and the below part, so the employee table is from the index view and the product table is from parcel view. So the product table we have called from the parcel view and employee table is from index page. So this is the first way to use the parcel view with the help of, or we can say we can render the parcel view with the help of render parcel method. So next is HTML dot parcel, and you can see the parcel method has a 4 overloaded method. First one is the parcel view name as a string, second one is the view name as a string and model as an object, third one is the view name as a string, view data as a view data dictionary, and last one is the view name as a string, model as an object, and view data as a view data dictionary class. So we will provide the view name. So we can use the same view name here also, or we can to understand more detail what we can do, we will use the sample view in the next. So we will write one heading here. So this is a sample view from home folder. So we can use the sample view here. So we can display, we can render the partial view with the help of a render partial, or we can use the partial method, and the partial method return type is a MVC HTML string. MVC HTML MVC string. So first what we can do, first we will run the application, first refresh the page. So you can see the product table is coming from the render partial. It render the partial page by using the render partial method, and this is a sample view from the home folder. This is provided, this is a render from the partial method. So next point is how to use the same partial view in multiple view pages in MVC. So to understand this, what we can do, we will create one more view name as a product.cshtml. So we can create one more view, and first we can create public view result, and I will say product as a view method, and I will return the view. So we can create the view having the same name, product. Click on it. So this is a product page. So you can see we have used the partial view inside the index view page. So the same partial view I want to use inside the product view page. So what we can do, we can use the same view inside the product view. So we will render by using the partial method, and we can provide the name. So product, so we can also use the same view inside the employee controller. So employee view. So you can see the same partial view we can use inside the employee view also. So we can see the same view we can use in a multiple view pages. So that's why we can say it is a reusable view. So we have created the view product partial view, and we can use the same view to the multiple pages. So we have used the same in a product view, index view, and employee view. So first we will run the application. So as of now we can delete this sample view. First we can run the program. Yeah, so you can see first sorry, the spelling is mistake here. I will change. So first we can say the product table detail, this is from the partial view, and employee table, this is from the index view, and I want to call the product page. I want to call the product view. So you can see the product table is also, we can render the same data to the product page. So we can also use the same data in an employee view also. This is a sample view from home controller. So what we can miss here? Employee. Oh, so we have written the sample view from the employee, so that's why it is display the sample view. So you can see we can call the index view, or you can call the product view. It is displayed in the same partial view, we can display it in a multiple pages. So to understand more detail, we will open in the separate tab and you can see the result. So product table having column product ID, product name, so you can find the same product ID, product name, order, quantity, and data should be the same. So we have used our partial view in a index.cshtml and product.cshtml view page. So next one is the why partial view is required in ASP.NET MVC. So first one is the if to reusable the content. So it is very important. If you want to reusable your content in a multiple web pages, then partial view is a required or very important in MVC. So next one is to avoid the duplication of code. So if you want to avoid the duplication of code, then partial view is required. So this is the two benefit using the partial view in MVC. Next point is the interview question and homework. So on this part, so many interviewer asks the interview question is what is partial view and how to use the same partial view in multiple view pages. So this is the very simple question. If you understand my tutorial, then definitely you can give the best answer of this question. So next one is the homework. So you can create the view name like the student partial view in a home controller, so home folder, or you can create in the shared folder, and you can create the table, student table, having the column student ID, name, email, and class. Provide some domain information. So we have provided this, and practice the more, and you can render this partial view in index.html, product.html view page, and you can create the one more employee page and render with the help of HTML render partial or partial view, and practice more, then you can. That's all from this tutorial. So that's all from this tutorial. So we have understand what is partial view, how to create the partial view, and how to call the partial view, and what are the different way. There are two way we can call the partial view, by using the render partial and the partial method. And we can also understand, we have also understand how to use the same partial view in multiple view pages, and also we have understand the interview question and homework. So next tutorial we are going to understand the layout. So thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, and please add your valuable comment. For more detail you can visit my blog www.programmingwithsri.com. Thank you.